Hey folks, Marcus with MarcusBlankenship.com here. Well, I'm doing this upcoming leadership simulation remote training. That's a lot of words. And in one of my emails, I recently kind of explained that. But I wanted to show you a little something, and I want to whet your appetite. This is a sneak peek into the engineering simulation that participants will be, the activity they'll be performing. You might wonder what this is. This, I was told, is a unicorn. Can you see it now? It's a pretty good looking unicorn, actually. This is another one of the items from the engineering simulation training. This, you might not guess, but it is an animal that roves around Mars and eats the red rocks, and it actually poops out oxygen. It helps make Mars inhabitable. That's right, I'm revealing a big secret. When you sign up for this class, one of the things you're going to get in your box is tinkertoys. And that's because tinkertoys make an awesome engineering simulation tool. See, at the end of this is not a set of slides. At the end of this, you are going to experience some things that help you to learn how to learn, which is a very meta thing, but it's also going to help you to help your teams understand how to learn. And you're going to get lessons on communication, on remote collaboration, on working in silos, on adding team members, the cost and the effect of adding team members to a team. You're going to get lessons about prototyping, planning, documentation, all of that from literally this child's toy. And you might make a unicorn. I bet you'll probably make something else. I can't say more than that because each one of you who joins will be working under the simulated umbrella of working for Alpha Corp, a company that everyone in the simulation works for. And at Alpha Corp, we invent the future is the slogan. And so with that in mind, I really encourage you to sign up soon for this class. It's fully remote. You'll get the package of materials in the mail. It does take a full day. And at the end of that, you're going to have learnings coming out your ears. And along the way, we're always going to be directing our learnings back to one thing. How does this apply where you work? How can you take what you learned about collaboration, about communication, about prototyping, about engineering, about everything that we're going to talk about, okay? Everything you experience from an engineer's perspective, working in a remote environment, and how are you going to apply that at work? Okay, I'm really excited to have you on board. I'm going to send out this video. If you're interested, write me back, Marcus at MarcusBlankenship.com. It's a very different kind of training. So if you have questions, don't feel bad. This is something unlike I've ever seen offered on the internet before. It's the kind of thing that people pay thousands of dollars to do at a conference or an in-house training. And yet, the reason it's remote isn't to convenience me or to convenience you. It's because in this particular case, you need to learn to manage your remote workers better and how to manage remote teams better. And why not just use the same exact tools as you use today? And let's do a simulation about remote work in the context of doing remote work. All right, I hope to see you there. Take care. This is Marcus with MarcusBlankenship.com.